Wait, Daddy. Huh?
Hey, I go in.
Come on. Picture it here. The cover. You can see the cover. See? It's the cover in there. See?
Huh?
It's the cover.
Open.
Yeah, when you get have next month, maybe. Alright?
Okay. I see. No.
Ang kulit talaga. Ang kulit.
Kaguwa.
Talagang makulit.
Daddy!
Puto.
Come here, Ninong, sabi niya.
Yata.
Oh, what's over there?
Yeah.
I'm not going
Oh, look at this. Oh, there are plenty of flowers. Oh.
Okay.
We're going to have a apple.
Huh?
Here, oh. There. We'll have plenty of apple this year. Right?
Apple here.
Yeah, this year.
Huh? Huh? Thank you, apple. Then go here.
Wow.
Sinong sama ni Missing bumain ng isda?
Sige lang, ma'am. Kala ko kasama si Leslie.
Nasaan si Leslie?
Diyan, sa
Daddy,
sporting store. Come.
look!
Yeah.
Look!
Yeah.
The gun!
Ha?
Pagtugan na kita. Gaganong na nata. Let me see. Let me see. Ah.
Ito, ewan ko kung meron na. Kung meron ng ano ito. Pinapalo ko ito eh. Ugat. Ewan ko kung meron na.
You know, it's water again.
Ito ah. Ito malaki ah.
Kala ko, katulad ng apple.
Ay, di ah. Madali lang yung apple ah.
Yung apple, ginanito ko lang, tinabunan ko lang. Nagkaroon na ugat.
1 week lang meron lang na.
Oo.
Buti na i-setting yung isang cross dyan.
Ayun, matanda
Kahit-
rose mo.
kahit ano yan.
Ilang rose na nang galing dyan. Yan ang uno.
Merong roses dito nun.
Ito.
Yan lang.
Ito, nilipat dalawa yan. Isa yun doon, nakuha ko lahat. Ito, hindi ko nakuha lahat. Tinransfer ko doon.
Dito.
Garden.
Smell good dito sa labas. Ha?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why it smell good.
Pinutulan namin ng buhok eh.
Pinutulan ka. Buti, hindi mo naman pinutulan sa harap.
Ngayon lang nag-gano yan. Ngayon lang
No,
na.
cut my hair.
Cut your hair. Pinapawila lamin ko yun eh.
Sino
Hindi
mo?
nila matanggal yung ano, yung slip.
Tanggal mo na.
Hindi. Itinaas ko lang. Itinaas ko kahapon. Pagkatapos sabi ko tatanggalin ko.
Ah.
Ay, ano, wala na. Umaya na lang sila.
There's no water there.
There's no water.
No more water. Oh, see? Oh.
Kasi pagkakargahan ko yan. Meow, meow.
Hey, water.
Kailan?
Sige nga.
Kami, dito kay manang mo. Kaya inaayos na. Inuunti ko na yan eh. Kailangan palit lang ko ang rear end mo. Maingay.
Ayun bang umiingay?
Ang bilis naman. Tulit yan. Kahit ganyan yan. Pumapalo na mo center eh.
Sinas sa bahay. Seafood. Ah, ito si Walpams mo. Ano bang ginawa sa Walpams?
Bibili sana ako ng 4 piece doon. Stacy, say hi.
Powder, Daddy. And then powder.
And then
Powder.
powder.
Powder and powder, Daddy.
Yeah.
2 bedrooms na.
Ay,
Anong,
Tinitignan ko eh. Ano na lang itsura ng
anong gagawin mo dyan sa akin?
mas mahaba yung bahay.
Mama,
Stacy?
Ay na. Saan nyo ay
Pag
na.
naipit ka dyan, ipit.
Ay, pag naipit ang tulbit mo dyan. Ay, yung kay Kaldoy.
Ang ganda ng picture nilang dalawa sa harap ng kaldon. Kinuha ko. Oh.
Kaldoy. Kaldoy.
Kaldor. Favorite shopping center ni Stacy yan. Kaldor.
Pareho lang kami.
Yeah, come show me.
Are you sure?
Ay, fix din ng balis ko.
Hoy, no! Ay, fix ng Barbie's car daw dyan. Nagpapatawa. Hoy, halika nga dito, pakilamero. Okay.
What? Oh. Ito, isa.
Display door natin.
Ang maganda
Ito,
na.
dila mo dyan. Sige.
Sa kanila, ay, si Alex. Pero bonus na nga, marami pa siya.
Lahat na, lahat na hinabas.
Kasi those are things na hindi mo mapipili na ano. Why?
Why?
What do you want?
Nope. Go back. No, go back please.
Talaga mo dito nga lalaki. Mangbor sila mo. Sila mo. Hindi, otherwise you don't have anything.
See?
Look, yeah.
Say hello.
You say cheese. I like cheese. I will eat cheese.
Nadala paglaing nga.
Hindi talaga kabil mo sa tiyan mo, tiyang mo.
Ah, what do you want?
Okay na na.
Siguro nga, Aurora,
Mm.
sa tamang kaure
Come on.
kayo. That is the only time.
Say cheese to the camera.
Cheese.
See the camera.
Okay, camera.
Camera.
Camera. I cheese. You want to eat cheese?
Oo, meron. Tapos ito yung water
Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, get set, go. It's going to Palyam.
See? He's going to palyap your Uber. Yeah.
What?
Because you're a bad boy,
What?
right?
Ano ba?
Why is mommy always Taco, because you're a bad boy. No, you're a bad boy, right? Yes. Ano,
Are you a bad boy? Are you sure? Huh? Daddy's asking you, are you a bad boy? Huh? Okay. Are you?
Oh, I'm gonna put your head inside. Okay?
Cook? You don't want to be cooked?
So that it's going to be hot.
$11? $15 na?
Ang gas?
Ayun, regular.
Oo.
89 yung sinasabi ko.
89. Pareho din eh. Sabi lang nila 89 pero sa
Hindi,
power
iba.
pa. Ha?
Palaging inaanang in-inspect ang Long Island. Mga gasolina.
Kasi pakiramdam ko.
Nagagalit si Jimmy sa akin.
Parang kung ako din sa gamit.
Sing.
Mahaba yung reality.
Thank
you.
Dating mo sa bahay.
Anong oras?
No, not that one.
Alas 12.
1 o'clock eh.
Oo.
Come na. Come on.
Anong
Thank you.
time?
Hindi. Cable.
Wow.
Nasa cable.
Wow, me.
Miss! Look, Daddy, Miss! Daddy, Miss! Miss!
Thank you, Tata, bring water.
They're cooking. Huh? They're cooking, darling. Oh, let us.
Ne,
What is that being cooked, darling?
tubig.
Bakit? Naghahanap? Kahit ba na?
Yung Bobby!
Ninong Bobby.
I was not
What is he cooking?
Na?
yung Bobby.
Oh, what is your Ninong Bobby cooking?
She's cooking salad.
What?
Oh?
Stace, don't do that.
Tatay!
Tatay. Who's tatay?
Tatay!
Yung signal niya nasa labas.
Tatay! Huh? Tatay? Tatay! Hey, where's my gun? It's my gun. I'm gonna take my gun.
Where's your gun?
It's up here.
No.
It's up here.
Ninong is cooking.
Malamig na yung hangin ah.
Look.
Jacket ako para...
I want you to put that back, please.
Control. Control. This is control.
Yeah. Come on, you sing. You sing Skinny Mering. Skinny Mering.
I love you morning. I love you in the morning. I love you in the afternoon. I love you every time. Every time. Uh-huh. Okay. I love you every time. Yeah. You come here and sing to grandma. What? Come on, you sing,
Okay.
you sing. You sing. Right, you sing. Okay. I love you every time. I love you in the morning. I love you in the afternoon. Oh. Not only afternoon, every time. You dance. You dance. You dance here, you dance here. Come on, you dance. That's not your mic. You better dance.
How do you turn?
Oh, come on, come on. I have two hands. Come on, you sing. Have two hands. remove it from your head. Come on, continue.
I have two hands.
Okay.
Have two hands.
The left.
And the right.
Oh.
Hold them up high, so clean and bright.
Right.
Clap, clap.
Clap, clap,
Clap your hands.
clap, clap.
Clap them softly. 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see. Clap. Very good. What? You have only 2 hands? Allah, Allah.
Look, there's a lot. You. I like, Daddy. I like.
Yeah.
I said there's the sun, sabi niya, no, there's the light. But that's not the light. Ay, where's your mommy?
I'm to work.
Ah, she went to work. How about you two, Alex?
On that side.
Ah, outside.
You and
Who cut your hair?
Yung Bobby
What is your Ninong Bobby doing?
is cooking.
Ice cooking. How about grandma? The other grandma, what's he doing?
It's getting here.
As is standing there. What did you
You
do?
had to go, Mom.
Yeah, when the two grandma were not in the house, what did you do?
Huh?
When the two grandma were not in the house, what did you do? What? What did you do?
My glasses, Grandma.
Up. What's that? What's that? No.
Hello? Hello? What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Put them there.
Put it back, Stace.
To the last one.
Ayun yan.
Wala ko na. Pagpunta ko nito, Pierre. Paano kung halimbawa ng bukisit? Kung kailan ako matutulog?
Makikita mo sa talaga.
And soon, his brother.
Ah, you got your haircut, huh?
Daddy, can you fix
Looks
it?
nice.
It looks better.
Shave it over here.
No, it
His
looks
skin.
better than it looks like it when it's
You
soft.
didn't leave it long.
No, I didn't. But I was gonna do it right. I'm not coming today. It's like my uncle's gonna care. I want to come like that. I was like, I got my haircut already, but I wanted this side, like side trim like
Yeah,
that.
Daddy, do it.
I was gonna do it. My mom was like,
No.
"Look, if you have hair like that, you're gonna look indecent. Like, don't do it." But I like this whole thing.
That's terrible.
I don't know.
Sabi daw niya, gusto nga niya na ipakat daw. Sabi daw na natin, hindi maganda sa'yo yan. Makain na sila. Pati yung isa.
Huh?
Hi, baby. Hi. Sino complains?
Kumakain.
Your name,
Why
baby?
should he? He's eating. Is your name baby? I thought your name is not baby.
Hi, baby.
Oh,
What happened?
Boboy
Who called you baby?
No,
But,
I get a baby over.
oh, no more.
What are you
So
doing?
what are you
I'm not a
then?
baby Omar.
So who are you?
Wings. That Queen? Huh? I thought you're Queen. Queen. Say.
Ako lang ang itsura nito. Pag ganyan ang itsura ni Darren na pag kumain, balaki rin yun.
Ako si Darren.
Mahirap pa kayo nito.
Hindi dapat ipagsama silang dalawa.
Alam
Para
mo si
kumain
Darren,
yung isa.
pagkakain na, sinto nandun. At
Pagsama silang dalawa, ante.
ginano
Nako.
ng daddy niya. No, daddy, no, daddy.
Namumukwi.
Don't talk if your mouth is full, okay?
Later you play what? Pizza? Broccoli? What?
Chop soy.
No more?
I want pizza, I want chop soy, I want a cup of coffee, I want pancit. Okay? No more? Why? What happened to the food?
I ate it.
Dalawa daw kinain niya. Wala, itong burger na ito. Mangyari.
Kinakain ng order.
Meron. Siya. Mangyari.
Nabali yung order nila mga siya.
Yan.
Gas na pabili ako. O, lumasang yan. Pero,
Attributo na ito. Attributo lang. Masyadong... Apay, mga inyagas tayo. Tulo na tuwang kay nga duwang.
ano, ikasta ko ba yung nag-jump ka niya?
Ay, alam niyo kung saan kayo bumagsak naman. Ayan o, yung garbage na yan. Sa bagay, malaki-laki ng kaulit eh. Pull down your bra. Your bra, pull it down.
Diabra?
Sa tihoho. Wala talaga itong batang ito.
Let's dance nga. Let's dance.
Ay, nagkatao. Ay, natin. Let's dance, sabi niya. Ayan, oh. Ay, namatay ka.
Layuan mo ako.
Talaga. Tignan niyo.
Tako na. You're heavy, man. Come on, man. You're heavy, man. Lang.
Oh, nananahimik yung Rose kasi pinapakialaman mo. Talaga ito, kumple-kumple.
Anong litro?
Sino ba yung kumakang-girlfriend yun?
Eh,
Wow.
Kaya namin ng...
Ano, dito, mo na ala.
Layuan mo ako.
Sure. Are you gonna dance?
Marami ka naman tinitignan dyan, Yan. Wala, ito. Nay, nga, tinakita na.
What?
Ah,
Daddy,
Yeah.
I'm taking my picture.
Well, you come here now, oh. Your daddy's taking pictures, oh. See? Come. Tita Lizzie. Oh, dito. Here, where we can see the flowers of your Nina. Here. Yeah. Oh,
Big
not-
one.
Yes, big ones. Do not touch them. There. Come. here with your Auntie
White.
Remy.
White
Posing
flowers.
with your flowers here.
No, Uncle Rami.
Beautiful flowers. You can now post with Grandma and Lola. Come
Doon,
on.
doon sa may asalya. Ay,
Hindi, yung camera ko muna. May baro, may baro. For a while only.
I want Rami.
Alam naman, tabuludan.
Ay, you lend that to your grandma. She will use it.
I know it.
Oh, there's your daddy. Oh, see? Oh, he said, Daddy, oh, you get the umbrella from Stacy. Oh. She will use it, then we'll get later on. She will just take pictures for that. Look at your daddy, oh.
Look at your daddy. Okay?
Cheese.
Look at your daddy.
Cheese.
Cheese. While you say cheese, you look at him. Cheese. Cheese. I want to eat cheese.
I want to eat
Okay.
cheese.
Oh, cheese.
Okay? You want to eat cheese?
Oh, cheese. Cheese. Flower.
Give it all.
Let me borrow. She's going to keep that now.
Mommy, I borrow it.
I
I'll borrow it. So I will get my picture without my coat. Yep. I
So
got-
you're already eating. Ay, your mommy will get your food.
Ayan, maganda.
Oh, you see?
Okay. 1,
You go there now and
2, 3.
your picture.
Stop eating and say cheese. Okay. Say cheese.
Don't do that.
Say cheese.
Put down your foot.
Say cheese.
Say cheese, darling.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
1, 2. Wala.
24 lang yan.
Bakit ayaw magsara?